BJP, which was already surrounded by Adani issue, got relief in the winter session of the parliament. When not Adani JPC demand, but discussion of the constitution happened. But here, Amit Shah one statement on Ambedkar create a scene, which discussion on Adani could not now.
अभी एक फैशन हो गया है आम्बेडकर 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 इतना नाम अगर भगवान का लेते हैं तो 7 जन्मों तक स्वर्ग मिल जाता है.
Amit Shah also said that Ambedkar has resigned from Congress out of disappointment. So the real insult was done by Congress. But the Shah spoke, it created such a mess that now the matter has come to first fight. Congress coached Amit Shah's statement in the powerful way. Congress leader Jairam Ramesh tweeted that Shah's statement so BJP and RSS hated toward Baba Sahib Ambedkar. They get created even by his name, and it was their assenters who burned Baba Sahib statues and talked about changing constitution. Now the truth is that even though BJP worship Baba Sahib today, but in December 1949, along with Nehru, RSS burned Ambedkar's statues. This issue was Hindu Code Bill, which was called by RSS as atom bomb on Hindu society, and which was compared to the Rowlatt Act. The issue of Ambedkar escalated and Congress claimed that Amit Shah tried to remove his statement from Twitter. The matter got attention and Congress organized protest march. Amit Shah apologized and BJP also protected in return. And for the first time in the history of the parliament, the ruling party stopped the opposition from entering the parliament. Another new dark spot in the relation between Congress and BJP happened when many MPs was injured in the same incident, where people are being pushed by the economy, inflation, unemployment, law and order. Today MPs had to fill the post without VVIP security. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi claimed that BJP MPs were stopping him from going to the election. And BJP claimed that Rahul Gandhi was so aggressive that he injured two BJP's MPs. They had to go to hospital. One of them is in ICU. Where did he get so much power? He was a young politician. How did he become a South Indian actor? Who gave you such screaming, abusing in parliament has become common. But today, it went further downhill. This is BJP MP's Pratap Sarangi, injured in the head, taken to the ambulance. Media tried to ask who pushed him.
राहुल गांधी एक एमपी को धक्का लगा, मेरे ऊपर गिर पड़ा और मैं नीचे गिर गया.
किसने धक्का मारा? राहुल गांधी ने.
हाँ, राहुल गांधी ने.
राहुल गांधी ने धक्का मारा.
राहुल गांधी.
Don't take Sarangi lightly. When in 1999, Australian Christian missionaries and his two children were killed by Bajrang Dal activists, he was state president of Bajrang Dal at that time. Today, he is in the condition and Mukesh Rajput of BJP is in a more serious condition than Sarangi. He is in ICU.
तो राहुल गांधी का धक्का लगा आप लोगों को या किसी और सहयोगी सांसद वगैरह जो थे?
राहुल गांधी आगे थी. ब्राह्म सर मुकेश हाँ सर ठीक है. अभी भी थकने से आ रहा है, घबराहट सी हो रही है. ठीक है सर.
Was it Rahul Gandhi's push or another MP? Rahul Gandhi was at the front when Modi ji called him to ask about his health. He was not able to utter a single word. Congress has said that Rahul Gandhi did not push them. They fell on their own.
खड़ी ड्रामा करता है.
BJP says that Rahul Gandhi has sent their MPs to hospital. We have filed a complaint against Rahul Gandhi in Delhi police for physical attack.
हमने श्रीमान राहुल गांधी जी के खिलाफ दिल्ली पुलिस में शिकायत दर्ज कराई है. उनके द्वारा शारीरिक हमला और उकसाने के लिए.
It takes general public so long to FIR. Here it was done in minutes. Last year, upon misusing surname, Rahul Gandhi had to face court defamation, 2-year jail, membership. Repeat, it is less than UPAP. This time we would be surprised. Minister of Parliamentary Kiran Rijiju also pointed at Rahul Gandhi and said that the parliament is not a wrestling ring. BJP's Nishant Dubey accused Rahul Gandhi of being a goon. Former BJP leader Subramaniam Swamy said that Rahul's citizenship should be snatched. Level on this FIR. Cancelling the membership, snatch the citizenship, think big. And BJP MP Ajay Bhatt said that Rahul should go to Akhada.
अखाड़ा नहीं है ये. अगर कुश्ती लड़नी है तो दूसरी जगह जाना चाहिए. लाठी गोली इसका कोई भी अस्तित्व प्रजातंत्र में नहीं होता है.
Instead of debate and discussion, they will be fighting or boxing matches, Nemo versus Raga. People will forget their pain and enjoy the match. More TRP will come than cricket. Everyone is stressed and politics will increase. Rahul has been completely surrounded. BJP woman, Rajya Sabha MP, Pagano Poyang, has also written a letter to the Rajya Sabha chair and has complained that Rahul come very close to her, started screaming and she became very uncomfortable. Rahul Gandhi defended himself in Congress and said BJP was in the wrong here.
ये पार्लियामेंट की एंट्रेंस है, इसमें मैं अंदर जाने की कोशिश कर रहा था, तो बीजेपी के एमपी जो थे वो मुझे ऐसे रोकने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, धकेल रहे थे और मुझे धमका रहे थे, तो वो हुआ है.
That happened. Congress President Kharge also wrote a letter to the chair and said BJP MPs pushed him and he fell and injured his knee, which has been operated on. The Kharge also asked for investigation.
लेकिन मेरे को खुद वो लोग धक्का दिए, मैं अपना बैलेंस नहीं संभाल सका, मैं नीचे बैठ गया.
But they pushed me. I could not believe myself. I sat down. Congress and alliance partners clearly believe that this is all a drama. This is a disparate effort to save Amit Shah.
अमित शाह जी, जिनको देश से माफी मांगनी चाहिए, वो करोड़ों परिवार से माफी मांगनी चाहिए जिनकी अनादर इन्होंने बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर जी का किया है. उससे ध्यान भटकाने के लिए वो लोग एक नया मुद्दा ला रहे हैं, बेफिजूल बात कर रहे हैं.
सारी दुनिया ने देखा है अमित शाह जी ने जो बोला है, लाइव टेलीकास्ट हो रहा था और उसके बाद झूठ पर झूठ बोल रहा है. बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर का अपमान ये देश नहीं सह सकता जब तक अमित शाह इस्तीफा नहीं देते और माफी नहीं मांगते.
The parliament has come to a halt with parties worker filing complaints against each other in the police station. At least enjoy all this drama because this action movie is made for our money, is made with our money, with our tax money. The new parliament and the daily expenses of running it, all this is happening with our own money. 2.5 lakhs rupees is spent every minute. This drama has no result in the end. But this is what suits the government. Nehru, Baba Sahib keep on fighting on this because if by mistake debates happen on inflation, China imports, make in India jobs, economy, demonetization, they won't be able to handle it. That's why Nehru and Baba Sahib is better. There were many issues to discuss in the winter session of parliament, but what difference does it make? It's not like people will ask you whatever you have done. India Ports Bill, Waqf, Amendment Bill, One Nation One Election Bill, Disaster Management Bill, Railway Bill, Banking Laws Bill. Who is finding out about all these discussions and debates? So many issues are in front of the country, but the government is only concerned with saving itself and calling opposition anti-national. At the rate at which our politics, society and economy is going, there is no need for CIA. We are ourselves hitting X on our foot. And we will keep on doing this until we demand accountability from these leaders. Otherwise, keep watching the drama. This movie will keep happening in the parliament with full action.